Hi, I just wanted to do a bit of a review my thoughts on these ADIDAS ULTRABOOST. These are new ones. These are, I'll put the colorway on the description. These are unisex as well. These are just new out. Now, this is actually how they come in the box. I bought these from JD Sports. Okay, so that's actually, I don't know if customs have had a look at these or whatever, but that's actually the way they come. I'll take them out of the box now. Now, sorry, this is, remember, an amateur review. What have they got in here? Just stuff, a bag from JD Sports. And what's this? 20% off students. Well, that won't be for me because I'm 55 years old. But yeah, I don't know. That's all the paper. They don't normally come like that, do they? Usually wrap them up a lot better than that. But anyway. Okay, I'll just have a quick look at the box again. I'm 11.5 in ULTRABOOST. I usually take 11 in normal sneakers like Nikes and that, but in the ULTRABOOST in the Prime net I usually take 11.5. Okay, now I want to do a bit of a close-up. I won't be doing a non-feet, but I want to do just a bit of a close-up on these. Okay, just have a quick look around there. And that's like a light, sort of like navy. I wouldn't say it's a light blue, it's like a light navy. I don't know if that's picking up on the iPhone 8 Plus. That's the Prime net. Gee, the Prime net's nice. It's really comfortable. I really like it. I don't think there's anything on these. No, just the same colour as the sides, the cage. The ADIDAS there, you can see that. That's quite nice. Have a look around there now. Alright, very okay. I've never seen that in the ULTRABOOST before. Anyway. What's inside here? That's just thing there. Just telling you what it is. I haven't seen those in there either. They're usually on the side or something. And that's what it says there. It's got male, but there are a unisex, so I'm pretty sure they're unisex. Now let's have a look, another bit of a round of them. I think I've just shown you everything. Now that ULTRABOOST there is in silver. It might look a bit gold, but it is actually in silver. Okay, I'll turn them upside down. Let's see the soles. Yeah, the Continental soles are really nice on these. Now they're not as nice as the all-terrain. Now I'm going to show you one of my all-terrain. Not a lot of people like the all-terrain, ADIDAS all-terrain, but I really do. I reckon they're really nice. See, exactly the same. It's not much difference at all. Obviously it's the same, isn't it? And just a Continental there. I like this better than the black. And I definitely like it better than the white. I don't like the all white at all. You get very grotty. Anyway. Alright then. And that's how they look. And on the toes there you can see that ADIDAS. It's quite nice there too. And it is very, very sort of like a white, virtually nearly a pure. Oh, it's probably a little bit creamy, but it's definitely a real sort of whitey sort of colour, I reckon it is. Now, I don't think there's any reflective on these, no. Alright then. Now, what I wanted to do was I'll get one in the all-terrain. I love the all-terrain, as I just said a few moments ago. Now, I've had these for about a year and a half. No, about, maybe a bit more than a year. Now, I've probably worn them about 15 times, but I always clean these. Now what I wanted to do is just give you a bit of an idea of the soles on them, the difference between the all-terrain. If I can do this. I don't know if this is going to work, but anyway. As you can see, the sole on the tread on that compared to the all-terrain. See the difference? The all-terrain's got an enormous amount of tread on it, which I really like because you're just going to get a lot more wear out of them. And being black, I really like it too. But if you can see that, see if I can match it up. But as you can see there, you can see it's virtually, I reckon it's probably nearly 3 times the amount of tread on the all-terrain to what the normal Continental sole is on the normal ULTRABOOST running. But they're a very nice shoe, those. I've always looked after them. Anyway, I don't know if that's been much of a review for you because, as I said, most of mine are just amateur. But, yeah. But you can actually see there with the tread. Like, if you have a look at that, right? You want to freeze it, I don't know. And then you have a quick look down here. You see the difference. It's night and day. The tread on the all-terrain is really, really good. Okay, and that's about it then. That's gone on for nearly 5 minutes, I think. But yep, that's my Ultra Boost running shoes. I think they are actually, and I think they're definitely a unisex model. They only come with the white shoelaces, no other shoelaces other than the white, which I would have liked probably a different colour as well in there, but still that looks alright. They cost me $260 AU, that's delivered, and I think they actually come from England. Anyway then, hope you enjoyed it.